How does Auger Hollingsworth determine the value of my pain and suffering? In Canada, the maximum amount that an injured person can receive for pain and suffering and loss of enjoyment of life is capped at just under $400,000. It's indexed to inflation, so every year the number edges up a little bit. Very serious spinal cord injuries or traumatic brain injuries are the type of cases where claims get close to the damages cap. If your injury's not at the damages cap, Auger Hollingsworth determines the value of your pain and suffering by looking at what judges have decided in cases similar to yours. For example, if you have a broken ankle with 2 surgeries and now you walk with a limp, we look for cases like that. Sometimes your case is risky. For example, there may be a disagreement about whether there was ice on the ground when you slipped or who had the right of way in a car accident. Risk can decrease the value of your claim. For example, if your pain and suffering is worth $90,000 based on the case law, but there's a 50-50 chance of winning if the case went to trial, an appropriate settlement offer might be $45,000, or half the value of your injury. In a car accident, insurance laws include a deductible on pain and suffering for certain cases. Your lawyer will explain if the deductible applies to you, and if it does, how much that deductible is. Pain and suffering is not the only form of compensation. Your lawyer will discuss whether you have a claim for loss of income, future medical care costs, Family Law Act claims, attendant care claims, or any other appropriate type of compensation.